Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Value stocks is the topic of conversation with Tracey Ryniec, who is our value stock strategist here at Zacks.com. Namely, two value stocks that she has brought in with her to discuss today for your consideration. Omnivision Technologies, OVTI, is the first one. They make smartphone cameras?
Yeah, cameras for the smartphones, netbooks, notebooks, all that kind of stuff. And as you can imagine, this is a hot area because all the smartphones and all that technology now has the cameras in it.
Right.
So they're seeing revenue soar. This last quarter, their fiscal third quarter that they reported in February, it was record revenue up 69%. So it's a real hot area. They expect it to continue to be hot in their fiscal fourth quarter. They're expecting close to near record revenues again. You can see the estimates are jumping because they did give this good, really bullish guidance. The interesting thing about this stock, though, is because it's in this hot area, rumors abound. And so, as you can see from the stock chart, I put the 1 year up. It's like all over the place because, you know, they have the iPhone contract. Are they getting kicked out of the iPhone contract? Will they keep it? What's going on with the iPhone contract? So you can see the stock kind of moves on these rumors. There's been no news out of the company itself, but you know, it's going to be volatile here. It's trading around 14 times, which isn't super expensive for a stock like this.
Yeah.
They also have this great cash on hand position, which a lot of these tech companies have, about $500 million in cash sitting there. So they're well positioned and they're kind of in a cool, hot area, I have to say.
And the contract would really give them an edge in the marketplace.
Well, they have it now, and then the rumor is that they might not have the iPhone 5 contract, which is coming up, and there's been like rumors that Sony may get it or something, but these are all just rumors. Nothing's been confirmed, so right now you have to assume that what's going on is going on.
Yeah, okay. PPG Industries, PPG, the ticker on this one, another one that you've written about recently, real old line manufacturer.
It is, and it's kind of a contrast to the company we just talked about, because that's the new technologies, this is the old technologies, and these guys don't get any love like the newer technologies do.
And the technology doesn't get much older than this.
Right,
either.
from the 1800s. They do chemicals, manufacturing chemicals, special chemicals, glass coatings, things like that go into a ton of products, but you don't really think about it. And they're on fire. They're even hotter than the company we were just talking about.
Imagine that.
Yeah, and nobody gives them any love, like I said. But they are, you know, estimates are starting to surge here because they just came out and pre-announced their first quarter guidance, and it was much better than anyone expected, far better than last year, and they're saying that they're seeing volumes really explode now, even in Europe, which everyone was assuming was kind of slow.
Wow.
So, you know, the story looks really good for them here. You can see the estimates really jumping on this guidance. They're actually reporting this week, so we'll get the real story from them, but the story is really bullish here. The chart is crazy. It's like basically straight up. I put the 3 year up, and it's, you know, very hot. It's at multi-year highs. It's trading around 14 times. It's not super crazy. And they do pay a dividend, which they've paid every year since 1899.
Man.
Consecutive dividend, about 2.4%. So the story is really good with these chemical companies. And, you know, the new technology is hot, but these old technology guys just don't go away.
You know, maybe what's old is new again.
That's
Who
right.
knows? Do you own either of these two?
I do not.
All right. We have more stock pick ideas for you up on our webpage if you're not there already, Zacks.com. Upper right-hand corner, that is where we put 4 new ones for you daily, one in each of the investing categories written about on Zacks.com, and Tracey's is included in that mix. With Tracey Ryniec, I'm Terry Ruffalo.